eat a horse.
I could eat a horse.
I could eat a horse.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
So hungry I could eat a horse.
Oh boy, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
You could eat a horse?
I could eat a horse.
Don't say that, Joe.
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts?
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts?
Why?
Penny for your thoughts?
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts, hon.
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts.
Penny for your thoughts?
Penny for your thoughts.
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 Penny for your thoughts. Penny for your thoughts.
Don't judge a book by its cover, Lexi.
Don't judge a book by its cover, my lady.
Judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Never judge a book by its cover, honey.
Never judge a book by its cover.
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 Of course. You don't judge a book by its cover.
Yo, don't judge a book by its cover. Try it.
You can't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Death door.
Colin Mitchell is at death's door.
And in that moment, at death's door, I looked up.
Death's door, still a trailblazer.
Doctor, she's at death's door.
Even at death's door.
That's my mother. She's at death's door.
My aunties are in death's door.
Well,
Oh, I'm at death's door.
She's been at death's door like 5 times. And I'm at death's door.
Well, the last time I saw Kathy, she looked at death's door.
You guys have him in at death's door.
and just like finally spill the beans that like.
Because you'd spill the beans.
Spill the beans.
Spill the beans, and they're yours.
Spill the beans!
Spill the beans, old man.
Spill the beans or I'll spill your blood.
Spill the beans, babe, and I don't mean on the toast.
Well, time to spill the beans. What's going on? Spill the beans.
Hey,
Spill the beans.